Whatever you say. Sure, why not? Keep your shanties out.
Wala yung DR tsaka ano. Right.
I'm gonna burn it. Shoot to kill, then drink afterwards. Sure, why not? Don't mind if I do. Keep your shanties on. Sure, why not?
ตดยังไม่ทันหายเหม็นกระเด็นไปหนึ่งศพซะแล้ว
Whatever you say.
What the fuck, patay. Anday.
That's my quarry.
Never mind, never mind. Whatever you say.
Nice one, bro.
Keep your shanties on. Sure, why not? Never mind, never mind. Self-forest. Self-forest. Sorry, sometimes I swear I hear Self-forest talk to me. Sure, why not? Keep your shanties on. Whatever you say. I'm gonna burn it. Sure, why not? Keep your shanties on.
Farming yung ano. DR. Solo lang pala yun eh.
Oo nga. Rob, we can
Solo
kill
lang
Rob.
yung pre.
Get me run top.
Nagpo-farm pala yung ano.
Sige, sige, sige.
Sure, why not? Don't mind if I do.
Wala, tangan, dami nila eh. Alam mo yung tatlo sila dito.
Whatever you say. Never mind, never mind. Sure, why not? Never mind, never mind. Must do as the darkness commands. Don't mind if I do.
Rob, we can kill Rob.
Keep your shanties on. I'm gonna burn it. Two dudes with one throw. Never mind, never mind. Keep your shanties on. Don't mind if I do. Sure, why not? Don't mind if I do. Never mind, never mind.
Tis lang. Dalawang level na lang.
Kinatan yan dyan.
Wait lang. Pag bumaba.
Whatever you say. Never mind, never mind. Keep your shanties on.
Regeneration.
Two noobs with one throw.
Pasuhan natin sa loob.
Sure, why not? Never mind, never mind. Whatever you say. Keep your shanties on.
Top run, top run. Top run, top run.
Kinuha na.
Tukol na natin oh. Saan na?
Sure, why
Medya ka lang.
Whatever you say.
Ang ina yan, ayaw nyo papatayin to.
Wala akong boots ah. Sige, go ako. Wala lang akong boots. Ewan ko lang doon sa Ravenor.
Sure, why not? Never mind. Don't mind if I do. Sure, why not?
Nakatunog na.
Tano. Dito.
Rise, my minion.
โคตรโหดเลยเช็ดแค่ขนาดเปเล่ยังต้องกดไลค์
Nabuhay pa yun? Hindi namatay sa bomba mo.
Tatlo lang kasi.
Tangin natin, sinadya ko yung ano eh.
Tatlo lang kasi. Ano lang yung damage? 180 lang. Dapat mga level 3 at least.
Sure, why not?
Tapusuhan natin yan. Ito, tara.
Never mind.
Banata mo na, sige na, banata mo na.
Keep your chances up.
Okay, tara.
Never mind.
Sige ako, yan, nakatang ka na yun.
Nice one. Huwag niyo iwanan, tangit. Mamamatay ako.
Dito
Para
ito
matatabayan.
Keep your chances on. Sure, why not?
Wala pa ako.
Wala, level 4 pa lang ako.
Ako rin eh. Same.
Self-forest. Sorry.
Sige, may magkakamali din dyan.
Di ma-gip yan ang ano? Ng creeps?
Hindi.
Two noobs with one
Hindi, sige.
throw. Shoot the kill, then drink afterwards. Whatever you say. Must do God's commands. Don't mind if I do. Who's going to be
Putang ina.
Keep your chandies on. Whatever you say.
Tara, ito. Patayin natin ng patayin para ano.
Wait lang.
When do I start
Sana
shooting
magkamali
things?
siya ng lakaran.
Whatever you say. Never mind.
Your building is taking damage.
Keep your chandies on. Sure, why not?
Level 6 na ako, konti na lang.
Keep your chandies on. Don't mind if I do. Never mind.
Naiya pa.
Whatever you say. Sure, why not? If I ever needed a reason to drink, being dead is a doozy.
Rise, my minion.
ตัดเต็มบาทาล่อซะมือแหกซอกแตกกันไปเลย
Tangin ina.
Keep your chandies on.
Cooldown yung ano ko eh. TP ko GK. Hindi ako mapag ano. Mapag TP.
Two noobs with one throw. Keep your chandies on. Sure, why not?
Your building is taking damage.
Don't mind if I do.
6 ka na. Malayo pa.
Never mind.
Layo pa. Kaya pag may ano dyan, may nag-TP dyan, patayin ka agad natin.
Sige lang. 7 na ako.
Chandies on.
Malapit na mag 7.
Stop shooting things. Shoot the kill, then drink afterwards.
Attack this structure.
Sige, tago lang ako para kunyari, dalawa lang ako. Matay pala yung Ravenor sa top. Oh.
Palag, go. Let's fight.
Back na. Huwag na pumalag, tala na. Back na tayo. Okay
Swap
na
ka
yan.
na, may swap ka na.
Wala pa.
Building is taking damage.
Mga apat na creeps pa.
Wait
Ano,
lang,
tara,
wait
palag natin yan.
lang.
Something smells rotten.
Nice one.
Ayan, magmana ka na. Kaya easy kill na yan.
Being dead is a
Stop mo na lang dyan, oh.
Beware.
Sabihin mo lang design kung saan nilalagay yung bomba.
Who stole me cake?
Ang lapit lang pala ng ano nito. SS nito.
Kailangan mo ng Jade Spire.
But something smells rotten.
Buhin ko lang muna yung energizer para ano.
Sige.
Don't mind if I do. Whatever you say. Never mind, never mind. Don't mind if I do.
The Legion takes down a Hellborn tower!
Pwede sa ano, pre, sa mid ka maglagay ng bomba. Para pa nag-TP ako.
Sige.
Tulungan
Ito.
natin yung mid.
Wait lang ito. Sayang yung bomba ko. Hindi, sige na ba?
Diyan ka lang. Tatalon dito eh.
Sige lang.
Wait. Ayan na, tuman. Nice!
Needed a raise and a drink.
Ito Meron sa likod
Never mind.
Papalagan ko yan. Pero joke lang.
Don't mind if
Ang ina, patay ako, gago.
whatever you say. Don't mind if I do.
Wala akong mana. Gagi, masakit yan.
Don't mind if I do. Never mind. Sure, why not?
Ano patay na naman yung Ramadan ko dun ah.
Whatever you say. Keep your chundies on. Get away! Whatever you say. Don't mind if I do.
Sa akin wala pang SS.
Sige lang. Cooldown ba? Cooldown ba?
Cooldown eh. Ayun o. 13 seconds.
Don't be cake.
Okay, hintayin natin yung swap mo. Maiyak tawa
Your
to.
building is
Rabinar.
taking damage!
Me. But something smells.
Parang bot oh. Ano sayang yun.
Whatever you say.
Lagi may kalaban pre sa ano eh. Top tsaka sa mid eh.
Your building is taking
Yan,
damage!
easy swap ka na yan ha.
Ilan yan?
5 yan. Sagad yan.
Taka na patay na naman.
Whatever you say.
Madaming ano dyan pre? Madaming words dyan.
Never mind. Shoot to kill, then drink afterwards.
Sige, ano. Para may ano.
Self-Forest. Sorry, sometimes I swear I hear some forest talk to me.
Okay.
Don't mind if I do. Keep your chundies on. Never mind,
Hey, no.
never mind.
Ayun oh. Swap mo na.
Malayo. Hindi abot.
Keep your chundies on.
Likely pa to eh.
Dapat 11 no. Kunin mo kaya yung tome. Ikaw na kumuha ng tome. Bili mo na. Tome. Yan.
Sure, why not?
Papalagta sa gitna. Sige.
Tutulungan natin sa top pre.
TP
ka.
kayo, boy! Mamatay ng putang ina net.
If I do.
Ikaw naman sa inyo, gumawa kayo. Naka-stay kayo sa isang lane eh. Ayaw nyo tumulong sa
Bakit
lane
kasi
eh.
nandun pa siya? Hotspot na nga.
Hindi
yun
mo
eh.
kasi masisisi, boy. Gumalaw kayo.
Never mind.
Putang ina net.
Deny.
โหด
Warded pa dito, putang.
ไม่ต้องบอกก็รู้ว่าเทพทรูมาเอง
Sure, why not? Don't mind if I do. Keep your chundies on.
Turn back and run while you still have blade.
Teka dyan pre.
Warded.
ยังต้องกดไลค์ Your building is taking damage!
Ina. beses na mamatay yung arma doon. Makunat na yan eh. Kailangan lang may sumama dyan eh. Ewan ko ba ba't hindi nyo sinasamahan eh. Nakastay kayo sa... Pwede ko nang basagin yung mid eh. Malaw kayo.
Diyan na tayo sa top. Hotspot na dito. Wait. Time mo. Ako mag-dead awards. Oh, sige, go. Go na, sige, go.
Why not?
Ayan, nasa mid naman sila. Dito.
Beware.
Tang ina, swerte sa SS.
Keep your chances up.
Ay no, di ba? Di ba? Sabi sa'yo.
Sure, why not?
No tag for you, select.
Your building is taking damage.
Get away! Sure, why not? Never mind.
I'll be here all day, baby.
Tabahan na ng Rabinor. Pwede na iwanan yan.
Pabor din naman na.
Doon tayo
Top
sa
talaga
ano,
tayo, top tayo.
sa Armadon.
Sorry, sometimes I swear I hear some forwards talk to me.
Tulungan natin yung arma.
Whatever you say. Never mind. Sure, why not?
Mag-ano ka na dyan, pre. Mag-plant ka na dyan. Habang wala pang kalaban.
Say,
Mag-advance words ako. Wait lang.
keep your chandies on. Sure, why not?
Ayun no.
Sige, kahit mga ano lang, 4 lang, pre.
Being dead is a dozy.
Pero kung kaya ng 5, pwede.
I'm walking
Punta na dito sa tabi ko. Ayun no.
Never mind.
Ito na, tolo. Di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
That's a genocide, folks.
Level 11 na, pre.
Pagkatapos
Medyo
ito.
malaki na. Patay ka agad siya sa bomba eh. Tangina, ilan yan, boy? 3? 3, 4.
Ang alin?
Yung bomba nilagay mo doon.
Oo nga,
agad
patay
siya.
ka agad. Di, nasa loob ng SS din eh. Tsaka tinamaan din ni Rabinor.
Taka na, naka-spell shot ka na pala eh.
Kakabili ko lang yan.
Kaya pala ang sakit eh.
Hindi, kakabili ko
Ah,
lang
bili
yan.
lang ba?
Takes down a Hellborn tower.
Ang sakit kasi 3 lang yata yung nilagay mo doon.
Sure, why not?
Sige, go. Sige, go.
If I ever needed a raise and a drink,
360 din, times 3 mo na lang, tol. Di ba?
it's either you or me.
Wait lang.
But something
Ako,
smells
tatanim ako
rotten.
dito.
Who stole me, cake? It's either you or me. But something smells rotten.
Dito ah. Sige, naka-advance ako.
Pwede yan.
Shit. Sige, okay lang. Dapat di na. Patay na ako eh. Deny. Try nyo i-deny.
Hindi madidinay yan.
Ay, hindi pala lason yun. Nga pala.
สุดยอดกล้วยทอด
Gagi, ba't pumalag siya, no? Rabinor doon. Taka na, nag-back na kami.
Sige, okay lang. As long as DR yung patay, okay yan.
Sa akin, wala kang tanim sa mid, oh.
Oo nga eh.
Sana magpupush yan eh.
Your building is taking damage.
Invisibility.
The Hellborn takes down a Legion tower.
Rise, my minion.
If I ever needed a raise and a drink, being dead is a dozy.
Gagi, nandiyan na yung ano,
Taking
Santori.
damage.
โคตรมือแท้ขนาดเปรี้ยว
Puta na, back na tayo dyan. Baka na dyan, GK. Arma, arma.
Sige, pa-frontay mo. Kaya pa kaya yan? Ayun no. Kaya yan. Sige. Sige, arma yan. May ano yan oh. Astro.
Dyan na yung Ravener eh.
Ayun no. Sige, ayun no. Palag na kayo.
Sige, dito lang. Support lang
Your
dito.
building is taking damage.
Ayun no, lumapit pa lalo. Oh, nakabarb ba? Nakabarb. Nakabarb.
Papalagan yan.
Sisi na yan.
Payback's
Dito
a
meron pa.
bitch.
Nagtipi na nga eh.
Tapos kayo.
Your building is taking damage.
Keep your chundies on.
The Hellborn takes down a Legion tower.
May swap ka, may swap ka.
But something smells rotten.
Oh, meron na pre.
Sige, wait lang. Ito na naman eh.
Self-Forest. Self-Forest. Sorry, sometimes I swear I hear Self-Forest talk to me.
Saan lalagay? Eh, dito na lang.
It's either you or me.
Makawari.
Lahat na yan tayo dito. Wag.
Sige, wait lang.
I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
Pupunta sila. May SS ka ba?
Wala eh. 6 seconds.
Denied. The Legion takes down a Hellborn tower.
Takbo! Takbo! Bang may lupa. Takbo! Takbo! Hanggang may lupa. Ano walang Ravener?
2 ถุง
Ako, may SS. Timing naman. Tumiming din eh. Patay. We're already dead, bro.
When do I start shooting things?
Pre, magtanim ka na pre.
Okay, wait lang.
It's either you or me.
Hindi na ako makatanim.
Patay kagad.
Patay kagad yung DR eh.
Who stole
Oh.
me cake? Never mind, never mind.
Ay, hindi dito. Hindi pupush yung mga yan eh.
When do I start shooting things?
Dapat yung may words natin pre.
Never mind,
Oo
never
nga.
mind.
Kaso,
Whatever you say.
teka, saan ba tayo pupush kasi?
Block ko natin oh.
Boom goes the dynamite.
Pupunta itong GK. Tino mo. Sabi na nga ba pupunta niyo GK.
Ayun, wala naman na yan oh.
Gets the double.
Back na lang oh.
Sorry,
Dito sa akin, dito sa akin.
I swear I hear some words talk to me.
Dito pre, tanim ka na pre oh. Magpupush yan sila oh.
Dito, dito,
Sa 50
dito.
seconds.
Whatever you say.
Hindi,
It's
magkokong
either
yan.
you or me. But something smells rotten. If I ever needed a
Hindi,
reason to
magkokong.
drink,
Hintayin na natin sila.
being dead is a doozy. Don't mind if I do.
Kung may barb na tong ano, arma doon, ibang usapan natin.
Condor has been slain.
Back na. Baka pumush yung mga yan.
Whatever you say.
Yan, magamit yung mga yan.
Self-Forest.
Bigyan mo
Sorry,
sa Bobby.
sometimes I swear I hear some words talk to me.
Si Chrono kagaduling ko pre pag ano.
Don't mind if I do.
Chrono kagaduling ko.
Never mind, never mind.
Pag nag-SS nga yun si Chrono, pwede ko i-swap yun.
Keep your
Oo.
chances on.
Kahit ikaw na yung ma-shoot.
If I ever needed
Ito.
a reason to drink, being dead is a doozy.
Dito lang kayo tumakbo, huwag kayong mag-stay. Ayan na. Oh, diba?
Sige, tanim ka lang pre.
Wait lang. Lilipat ko. I-adjust ko. Para ano? Talikod, talikod!
If I ever needed a raise and a drink, being dead is a
Tap tayo pre oh. Ito.
Hindi, ano siya sa mid eh.
Never mind.
Dapat barb na lang inuna nung ano eh.
When do I start shooting things?
Nung arma din eh. Wala pang gagawin yung ano
Why
eh.
not?
Stop eh. Dapat nga bibigyan lang siya eh.
Shandy-san. If I do. Never mind, never mind.
Talikod mo na pre ah. Tay. TP kayo, TP. Putang cooldown yung TP.
Sure, why not?
I-support lang ako dito.
Go push.
Don't mind if I do. It's either you
Gigi, go arma.
The Legion takes down a Hellborn tower.
Stun. Uy, putang ina, Rabinor. TV.
Layo ng ano ko, SS ko. Hindi na. Back.
Beware.
Back, I
Your
don't have
building is
SS,
taking
bro.
damage.
works. Talk to me.
Kiki, sino dyan? Putang na yan, banata
Okay,
mo
go,
na.
go, go!
Putang na naka-BKB. Bakbaka mo lahat yan. Putang na lang yan. Saka na, kaya mo yun. Sino? Yan, takbo mo lang. O yung isa, ito, Magnus oh. Jay, kaya mo yan.
Never mind, never mind.
Uwi ka na. Oh, one. You and I gonna be real.
Get back.
Don't mind
mid,
if
oh.
I do. Must do as the darkness commands. Get away! Never mind, never mind. Sure, why not? Keep your chandies on.
Illusion.
Don't mind if I do. I'm working on it.
Walay tayo ah.
If I ever needed a reason to drink,
Siyempre,
dead is a dozy.
SS ako eh.
Go, tara, ito, nandito na sa mid oh.
May ward speed dyan, dala.
Meron.
Lagyan mo ng ward para makita natin kung sinong dadaan. Kapatid.
I'm working on it.
Back na tayo, back na.
It's a massacre.
Aba.
Kawawa.
Tuloy.
Pre, last game muna ako, kakain ako eh. Ha?
Oo, kakain din ako. Kain mo na din ako. Baka mapikot na ako.
Di yan. Gagalit lang naman yan eh. Galitin mo ng gusto. Hindi mo mananawa yan.
The Legion takes down a Hellborn Tower!
Oh, ako bahala dyan sa ano, Chrono pa nag-SS. Wala pa ng BKB yan.
Tatagos din naman yan eh.
Kahit naka BKB?
Oh, may swap mo yan. Tignan mo. Tignan mo, neutral damage. Yung neutral ano yan.
If I ever needed a raise and a drink,
Dito ka tol oh.
Beware.
dosing.
Para ready rin yung
Sige,
mag-swap.
sige, sige.
Ayan oh. Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa iyo eh. Wala nang Kronos ha. Nice! Sarap sa ear, sarap sa eye. Nice! Okay. Rabinor, thanks to us. If this game it has a comment, please comment us.
Tanga na, damay siya eh.
Hellborn Tower!
Damay siya ano eh. Footwalker eh.
Bumaba dun sa akin eh.
A Hellborn barracks gets destroyed.
Destruction.
Bottom, bottom. Bottom,
A
bottom,
Hellborn
bottom.
barracks gets destroyed.
Bottom,
Destruction.
bottom.
Saan dyan, Rabinor?
Attack. Destruction.
Iyan, nandyan na.
Legion takes
Tatalon
down
yan.
a Hellborn Tower!
Destruction.
Wala namang kwento yung ano? DR?
Sure, why not?
Tara, sabot na lang. Ala. Ala. Kaya talikod lang. Stay behind, stay behind.
Whatever you say.
Sige pre, tanim ka na pre.
Never mind.
Saan tayo?
Never mind.
Kisan dyan, basta kung yung natatanong
It's either you or me.
ito. Pwede dito pre.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Ilalagay lang ang blue word. Malaki naman to ano ko eh. SS eh.
Malayo na ba yan?
Oo, malayo, medyo malayo yun.
Ayun, ayun.
Whatever you say. Keep your chances on.
Kaso nagamit ko.
Whatever you say.
It's time to see if the Legion aside, folks!